Sveiki! We ran our first filament extrusion test. We used recycled ABS plastic. It did not go well. Today I'll show you what worked, what failed, and what we still don't know. Let's get into it. We got recycled ABS pellets for free. The problem, they had small amounts of other plastic mixed in. We used them anyway, it was free, it was enough to start the testing. First problem, the temperature. While we were tweaking it, the filament had holes or didn't fuse at all. The melt wasn't consistent. The airpath worked fine, no issues there. The extruder has a speed knob, but there's no display showing the RPM. We couldn't find it in the manual, so we don't know the actual speed. Our fix: find the maximum RPM, then measure the turning radius, and use the markers on the knob to track the approximate speed. Not perfect, but it works for now. Next problem, the spooler. We found the official Filabot settings for ABS. Drive speed is 40%, easy, just below halfway of the knob. But winding speed, the manual just says slow, that's it. And you can see the results. The filament winds loose, not tight. This needs more work. We also have more recycled pellets. These two are ABS, and the others we don't know the plastic type. We will use those later for injection molding tests. One more thing, the Felfil shredder got badly stuck. The reverse spin button doesn't fix it. The only solution was to remove the housing, unscrew these bolts, pull out the bearing, and remove the cutter. Then put it back, and it works after that. Just something to know. The next step, we're sourcing PLA granules. That test should be cleaner and more controlled. I also filmed the full workspace build, the floors, the tables, everything. Would you want to see the video? Tell me in the comments. So that's it. Viso!